Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and I'm so happy, so glad to see you all once again. I'm here to teach you English and I will be teaching you how to write English alphabets within the lines, within the 4 lines of your copy. Right children, and we have already done A, B, C, D. 4 alphabets we have already learned. We will quickly have a look. Okay, see, this is your English book and we have already learned alphabet A. This is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, then D for dog. Now today I'll teach you E for elephant or E for envelope and F for fish. So we have already done till D, how to write within the lines in the copy, your English copy. Now today I will teach you alphabet E and F, how you are going to write in the copy. Okay, you can already see children, I have already drawn the lines as you have in your copy. Now I will quickly tell you how to write. Okay, so the date today is children, today is 5.7.21. Okay, this is your CW. You write CW on the right hand side and date is always on the left hand side. Okay, so we have already learned E for elephant. Now how you are going to write within the line? These are the 4 lines. Okay, red line, 2 blue lines and 1 red line. Okay, so we write within first 3 lines. Okay, your alphabet should not touch this last line. Okay, remember that. So try to write within the first 3 lines. We start from the first line. Okay, from the first line till the 3rd line. This is your first line with 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so from the first line till the 3rd line you will draw a standing line like this. Okay, then come back to the first line and draw a small sleeping line. Okay, then again come to the second line, again draw a small sleeping line like this, and then again come to the 3rd line and draw a small sleeping line. So now it is, what has it become? It has become, yes, it has become E, alphabet E. E for envelope. I will draw an envelope over here. The postman brings the letters in this envelope. Okay, this is an envelope. Okay, once again watch, come to the next line. Okay, again from the first line, from this first line, pink line, red line, you will draw a standing line, come to the second line, then 3rd line and stop. Go back to the first line, draw a sleeping line like this, then again come back to the second line, draw a sleeping line like this, and 3rd line, sleeping line. This is E for elephant, E for egg, E for envelope. Once again, standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. Okay, you are not going to draw like this. These two sleeping line will be big and this over here small. No, this is wrong. Okay children, so write the way I have written. Okay, so watch my video very carefully and do this work neatly. Now come to the next alphabet. Now next alphabet is F for, after E comes F. F for fish. I'll draw a fish over here. Okay. This is a fish. Okay. Let me draw some water. Yes. So now we are going to write F for fish. So again in the same manner you start from the first line. This is the first line, second line and 3rd line. So from here till here you will draw a standing line. Okay. Then on the first line again you will draw a sleeping line like you have drawn in the this alphabet E. In the same manner you will draw a sleeping line on the first line, and second line also sleeping line. Now what has it become? It has become F. F for fish. You are not going to draw a sleeping line on this third line, right? Okay, otherwise it will become E. Okay, remember that in F we have only two sleeping line. In E we have 1, 2, 3 sleeping line, but in F we have only 2 sleeping line. Again watch, from the first line till the third line draw a standing line. Then on the first line back again you will draw a sleeping line like this, and second line sleeping line. This is F for fish. Again standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Again standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. This is F for fish. So children, is it nice, beautiful? So in this manner you are going to do your work in your E1 copy. Can you see this? Is it visible to you all? Is it clear? Neat handwriting, as ma'am has written, in the same manner you are going to do this work in your E1 copy. Very neatly you will do, and in a good handwriting you are going to do this work. God bless you, children.